I know who it is, man. It's YNW Melly. I just want to let all my fans know that God is real and Jesus is real, you know what I'm saying? He has anointed my head with oil, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? He has cleansed my soul, you know what I'm saying?
As the possibility of the death penalty still stands tall for the rapper YNW Melly, he's finally spoken out for the first time since the whole scenario played out. After being charged for a double murder case in 2019, the rapper had been sentenced to prison. Although he claimed his stance of not guilty, recent news has put forward the stance of the prosecutor of Florida court on the whole matter, a ruling previously overturned by the judge because the prosecutor failed to notify YNW Melly's lawyer properly, is now in path for another development as the sword of death penalty still hangs on the head of the rapper. I mean, some wouldn't be surprised by YNW's acts given his history with violence and drugs. But murdering his two friends? Now that's an accusation that took the media by storm. So what really happened? What is this all about? And is YNW Melly really going to face the death penalty? And above all, what does he have to say about all of this? Well, don't you worry guys, we have all the details ready for you. So to satisfy your curiosity, all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of the video. But before that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell icon to never miss an update from us. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. In February 2019, YNW Melly was arrested and charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder. Police said he and another rapper, YNW Portland, killed 2 of their friends and staged the crime scene to look like a drive-by shooting. According to South Florida Sun-Sentinel, Williams and Thomas Jr. suffered multiple gunshot wounds and were driven to Memorial Hospital Miramar at 4:30 a.m., where they passed away. The hospital is located about 20 miles outside of Fort Lauderdale.
Counsel?
Thank you, Honor. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
On October 26th of 2018, this defendant shot and killed 2 of his friends.
The gravely serious criminal case came as Melly, whose real name is Jamel Demons, was looking forward to an upward slope in his career and had the full potential to be among the top lot in the music industry. Well, let's just say fate or his own actions had other plans for Melly and his career.
Prosecutors are given great power, endless resources to perform their mission of pursuing justice. But that's not what occurred here. What they will bring you is a case that is riddled with reasonable doubt, that is founded on an incompetent.
A month before his arrest, the 19-year-old from the small South Florida community of Gifford released We All Shine, a mixtape featuring Kanye West, and his biggest hit. The chilling 2017 single Murder on My Mind had just gone gold. It went platinum in March 2019 and was certified 6 times multi-platinum in January 2022. Bagging a single with Kanye West merely at the age of 19? Now that's what one calls an achievement. But lately, Kanye is not the best example for the kids, is he? Police alleged that he shot and killed Williams and Thomas, while Cortland Henry, aka YNW Portland, tried to stage the deaths as a drive-by shooting. Under Florida law, Melly could have faced life imprisonment or the death penalty. He maintained his innocence on Instagram by saying, "Unfortunately, a lot of rumors and lies are being said, but no worries, God is with me." The post was eventually deleted. Now this was surely an attempt to calm down the waters, and it surely did not have the desired effect on the jury, which did not waver from its decision. The state of Florida planned to seek the death penalty against rapper YNW Melly, TMZ reported and Pitchfork confirmed. In an interview with Billboard, one of Melly's lawyers, Jason Roger Williams, said that the prosecution had indicated since the beginning of the case that it would pursue the death penalty. In addition, Williams said the prosecution would be present at the discovery hearing. YNW Melly's lawyers, Williams, Bradford Cohen, and Nicole Day, said they would fight the charges. The judge that presided over Melly's case ruled in early July 2022 that prosecutors could not seek the death penalty against Melly, but the prosecutors were attempting to have the judge's decision overturned, resulting in the rapper's trial experiencing another delay amid his 3 years in jail. In a motion filed July 8, 2022, prosecutors said they believed Judge Andrew Siegel was incorrect in his ruling and wanted him to put the death penalty as a possible sentence. Judge Siegel said the state of Florida gave up its right to seek death penalty charges for failing to give Melly and his respective attorneys proper notice of 45 days ahead of time. The start of the trial for Melly's first-degree murder charges was officially postponed on July 13, 2022, until state appeal could come to a verdict on prosecutors' ability to seek the death penalty against the rapper. Now, that is not such a good life for a teenager. Once a rising star with a lot of potential, YNW Melly has reduced himself to court hearings and jail time. Very recently, on a phone call, he spoke to his fans and gave them love. This was the first time after the rumors of the death penalty that he spoke up. YNW Melly has broken his silence following reports of him orchestrating an attempted prison escape, publicly speaking out to fans and thanking them for their support. The Florida native accused of double homicide spoke out via a phone call that was recorded and shared on DJ Academic's Instagram account. "I just want to let my fans know that God is real and Jesus is real. You know what I'm saying? He's anointed my head with oil. You feel me? He's cleansed my soul," Melly shared. He further added, "He's blessed me to really see the reason y'all love me. The reason everybody loves my music is because of God. He gave me that gift. He's the reason I'm coming home, nobody else." Before ending the call, Melly voiced his appreciation for those who stood by his side during his ongoing legal battle. "I love y'all, and I love y'all so much," he said. "I thank God for all of y'all every day. Thank y'all. Just keep me in your prayers. Amen."
Go ahead, bro. Holla.
Y'all know who it is, man. It's YNW Melly. I just want to let all my fans know that God is real and Jesus is real, you know what I'm saying? He has anointed my head with oil, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? He has cleansed my soul, you know what I'm saying? He has blessed me tremendously. The reason y'all love me, the reason everybody love my music is because of him. He gave me that gift, you know what I'm saying? And he's the one who's gonna see me. He's the reason I'm coming home. Nobody else, you see what I'm saying? I love y'all, and I love y'all so much. I thank God for all of y'all every day. Thank y'all. Just keep me in y'all prayers. Amen.
Amen.
He surely did sound calm for a person who could potentially go on a death row. Any other person, especially as young as this guy, would have been losing his mind just thinking about it. Melly's remarks came days after news of the rapper's alleged plot to escape from prison, which was revealed during a court hearing and made headlines. According to the Broward County Sheriff's General Counsel's office, the rapper's plans to escape were uncovered via a tip from a confidential informant, who also accused a member of the rapper's legal team and another inmate of being involved. Following a search of YNW Melly and the inmate in question's cell, a 6-inch shank, multiple razor blades, lighters, rolling papers, and prescription pills were found. However, Melly was not found with any contraband, including a handcuff key the informant had alerted officials was in his possession. This does look like a scene playing out from a movie, right? Surely Melly was known for his notorious personality with a past filled with crime, but escaping prison? That's a risk no one expected him to take. According to the rapper's mother, the allegations levied against him have no credence and were simply a tactic used by the authorities to further worsen his character and reputation. With a lot to lose, Melly's reputation in prison is the only thing that could save him from the death penalty in the form of a probation after completing the designated sentence. And according to his mother, he was being denied this way out by baseless rumors and allegations. Well, who's in the right and in the wrong is hard to say at this point, considering all the fingers keep on pointing towards Melly. They do not want him having attorney visits in person, which will cause ineffective counsel, she said in an Instagram video addressing all the accusations. Melly's trouble with the law is not something that is a recent occurrence. Back when he was a freshman in high school, Melly shot a gun at a group of people near Vero Beach High School, but nobody was injured. He was ultimately charged with 3 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and 1 count of discharging a firearm in public. He was also arrested on 2 other occasions. First, law enforcement got him on possession of marijuana, possession of a weapon or ammunition by a convicted felon, and drug abuse charges in Fort Myers, Florida on June 30th, 2018. Melly was again arrested just prior to the release of his We All Shine mixtape in January 2019 on possession of marijuana charges. Well, if all those were not enough for his resume in the crime department, murder charges soon followed. YNW Melly has been involved in the murder case since 2019, and the prosecutors with with their firm stance of a death penalty appeal, are in no mood to take it easy on him. It'll take a whole lot of good behavior and, most importantly, luck if he wants to escape the possibility of death after the severity of charges that are being pressed against him. Although Melly in his phone call sounded confident and his belief in God strong, the law and the prosecutors are in no mood of letting this get off the hook with continuous efforts to make death penalties a possibility for Melly on the account of a double homicide. We've often witnessed teenage celebrities being notorious or acting out in front of the paparazzi, but the example of YNW Melly is an eye-opener for the media industry to protect its youngsters. The case of double homicide will surely haunt the young guy forever. So what are your thoughts about the whole situation? Do you think that Melly would eventually have the death penalty? That too in a country like America? Or will the decision be in his favor? Share your thoughts with us in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another topic. Till then, take care.